So we got this situation. Find greatest term in the expansion of this. Okay, so do you remember that we have memorized one result for ax plus by power n? So r should be smaller than or equal to n plus 1 by 1 plus mod of first by second. Correct? Now let's replace everything. So it is n 11 plus 1 12 by 1 plus first element is what? 7. Second element is minus of 5x. So it is mod. So it doesn't matter. 5x. Okay. Now they are saying that when x is this, so you have to replace x with that. So it is 12 mod 12 by 1 plus 7 7 by 5 2 by 3. Okay, so we have 12 10 upon 10 plus 21. So we got what? Let's rearrange things. So r is smaller than or equal to 120 by 31. So can I say it is 3 point something? Okay, so we did not get r as an integer, so we have to step back, means r will be what? 3. Okay, so if r is 3, the fourth term will carry the maximum thing. Correct? So look at this. So we will write 11c3. Okay, so 7 power 11 minus 3 into 5x. We need magnitude wise, no? So only 5x power 3. Okay, so let's do the, so this is the required term, and you have to replace x with 2 by 3 to get the final result. I hope you got the idea, you have applied your concept, and you got your result done. Okay.